So, voiceover Carol here. Before I start on this video, I want to let you guys know there's going to be two parts to it. The first one, I'm going to be breaking down the Holiday Cookie Exchange subscription box from Sparkle & Co. I got this in the mail just yesterday, so I want to unbox this for you guys. But part two of the video is talking about Sparkle & Co.'s Black Friday deals. So I also want to break all of that down for you guys in this video. If you're not interested in the unboxing, or you're only interested in like the Black Friday deals, I'm going to list time codes down in the description box below. So all you have to do is go to the description box, expand it so you can see all the words that I've typed, and you're going to see little time codes that you can click on. They're going to usually be in blue, and it'll literally, once you click on it, it will skip you straight ahead to the part of the video. So if you want to see Black Friday details but no unboxing, click on the Black Friday details and it'll straight take you there. But if you guys want to watch the unboxing, come hang out with me because we're going to unbox some awesome cookie exchange subscription stuff. I can't wait to use this. Okay, cool. Thank you. Welcome back, Nail Queens. I am so excited for today's video because I haven't purchased this subscription in quite some time. It's been a little while since I featured it on my YouTube channel because I usually cancel when I'm not really into the themes. So usually summer themes and winter themes are not my vibe. However, Sparkle & Co., yes, that's the company I'm showing off today, did one of the most incredible subscriptions for the holidays. It seems like Sparkle & Co. and Maniology are really on their stuff this year. So the theme for this month's box is Holiday Cookie Exchange. This is their monthly subscription bag, and there's different tiers that come in every single month. So for different price ranges, you can get more products if you pay more money, which honestly, it's like $15 difference between each tier, but you get double the amount of that value. So in the card, it tells you like, hey, this is our theme. This is the items that are in it. Here's a little contest. And then like on the back side, they'll tell you about like the referral program and where you can purchase more of the colors or the colors that didn't come in your subscription level tier that you paid for. So if you paid for the lowest tier, you can still purchase things in the higher tiers later on at full price. So getting straight into the subscription box, the first thing you are greeted with are these little cute cutouts. They're so adorable. I love the themed cutouts that they include every single month. So Official Cookie Tester is this cute little cookie cutout. Here's a cookie with heart shapes on it and a glittery apron with a little heart right there. They're so themed to it. I love the whole experience that I get with my monthly subs bags from Sparkle & Co. So this is a sticker. I love it. The little mitten, it looks like a cookie with icing on it and a snowflake on it and the Sparkle & Co. logo written on it. And it's a really good quality sticker. But you're not here for stickers and cookie cutouts or paper cutouts, to be honest. So when you pull the packaging out of the little bag right here, I love these bags. Inside you'll find these like color themed crinkle cut. I forgot what this is called. I'm drawing a blank, but this stuff usually fits in with the theme as well. So I love that if you decide to like give gifts to a friend and you have like no cute packaging, you can reuse this for gifting to friends, family, whatever. So getting in the subscription, I purchased the $30.99 subscription. That is their dip powder tier. They have a dip powder, a gel, and I think it's called Surprise Me is the other tier that they have for $30.99. I'll double check all that in a moment. So I get the dip powder one, but I should probably get the gel one, but I was really in love with the dip powder options that came in this month's subscription. So I knew I just had to have it. So I'm going to see which ones actually came because they post spoilers on their Instagram page. And that's how I had like a feel for the colors that were going to come in this subscription. And that's how I knew like, oh, this is totally up my alley. So if I was currently subscribed and this wasn't up my alley, I would have had ample time to cancel for the month if I really wanted to. So this, usually in the dip powder subscription, you will get 3 dip powders. So it's 3 dip powders, a liquid of some sort, and like a surprise like little fun item. But this time they added an extra dip powder. So you have 4 dip powders instead of that extra little item. And then instead of the liquid this month, they included the crystal clear dip powder in the 1 ounce size, which I greatly appreciate because you can never have enough clear dip powder. So here are the dip powders. I have 44, 45, 46, and 47. So let me show you the swatch sticks. So here are the swatch sticks that came in this month's subscription, and I know it might not look a lot is going on right here, but these colors are so cute. They debuted them on their Instagram. I really love the red velvet crinkles because this is actually a thermal changer. So I'll show you guys little screenshots of all their like previews and everything for you guys to see better up close and personal. But I love this like glitter combination, and it's called Oh Ginger Snap. And then you see red velvet crinkles is right next to it. Those would look great together. Then you have Coconut Snowball. It's a white. I want to say that's like those like matte clay pieces. I wouldn't really call it clay, but like they're matte irregular shapes right there. They're really cool. Those two would also look great together. And then lastly, you have SB47, which is Hot Cocoa Cookies. And this too is such a beautiful color. And it's funny that I have this because I recently purchased this gel polish off of your Buy Sell Trade group. Someone sold a color, this gel polish, and it is called Holiday Roses. It's a color they sold I think last year. They no longer sell gel polish like that, but they carry stuff in stock. Let me see, I have the swatch stick laying around somewhere over here, so maybe I can compare. Yep, just what I thought. It's like they're almost the same dip powder and gel version of each other. So this one's more green for sure, and this one's more red, and this one has more of a matte glitter black base, and this one doesn't. So this one is more of a translucent base. So I just wanted to show those side by side and their similarities to the dip powder and gel. Anyways, but moving on from this subscription, I can't wait to actually wear these. Right now is their Black Friday sale time, so I'm actually really glad that I only got the $30.99 option, because since I'm a subscriber, I get 20% off of all of my purchases as long as I'm subscribed to their monthly subscription. However, during Black Friday, subscribers get an additional 20% off because their entire website is 20% off during the whole Black Friday extravaganza. So I'm going to walk you guys through all of the things that are happening for this Sparkle & Co. Black Friday event, which actually already started earlier this week. I just haven't had the time to shop yet because I wanted to see what came in this subscription bundle, so I knew what I didn't have on hand. So when the Sparkle & Co. monthly subscription becomes available for purchase individually to subscribers, I'm going to buy all these other colors that were listed here that I don't have. So I have Oh Ginger Snap, I have Red Velvet Crinkles, I have Coconut Snowball, and Hot Cocoa Cookies, but I don't have Wreath Treats, and I don't have Peppermint Melts Away. Peppermint Melts Away is an I Want It All, IWIA color, so that one's usually only reserved to those who subscribe to this tier. Since I'm not subscribed, I can't get that one, but I definitely want Wreath Treats. It's very pretty, and I want to buy all of the gel polishes. Well, oh, that nail polish too. Ooh, okay. Anyways, so since the website is 20% off, and since I'm subscribed, I'm going to get 40% off all of my stuff. So I'm so excited to stock up on some things. I need dip powder liquids for swatching and just general use, gel base, gel top coat. They have so many things that are heavily discounted throughout this holiday season. So I'm going to briefly go over all of that stuff with you, and hopefully you guys keep on watching. Anyways, thank you. All right, getting straight into the Black Friday details. The sale has already started and it continues on until December 4th at 10 p.m. Central Time. And you can save 20% off with this code here that you can see on your screen, and an additional 20% off if you're already a sub-bag member. Every year for the Black Friday sale, Sparkle & Co. curates a trio mini gift set. So it comes with 3 mini dip powders and matching swatches, and a 3-piece dip liquid set, and an $18 store credit. So if you're looking for a great gift to give someone who's interested in doing dip powder nails, this is essentially what that set is intended for, to be a gift for someone else, or, you know, treat yourself. So this is what the trio looks like. But if you're not into that set, they also have a 6 new color exclusive set. They usually do new exclusive sets for just the holiday, like they're very holiday themed. So they have this dip powder version here, and then they have the gel polish matching set. So if you're not into dip powder, don't worry, you can get it in gel. They also have gifts with purchase, so depending on how much money you spend, whether it's $75 or $125 or more, you'll get very specific gifts, so they're listed here on the screen. But I think the thing I'm most excited about is all of their mystery and clearance bundles. There are so many things that are discounted, and they have mystery bundles. I'm a sucker for a good mystery bundle. I'm going to go over the things that they have on clearance right now. It's up to 80% off. So they have all of these items here. I have several screenshots from their social media accounts to share with you guys. And they have these and these. So if you're into nail art, I think these are a lot of fun items that are extremely severely discounted, which I think is great to snag during Black Friday. And then here are the mystery bundles. So they have gel mystery bundles, and they have dip powder mystery bundles as well, depending on your flavor of nail art medium. So you can get dip or gel at a great discounted price. And then for the very last thing is they have these magical gifts, which means your order can qualify you for winning one of these 3 gifts: a subscription, a $500 gift card, or getting your order refunded like 3 times the purchase amount, which I think is incredible. So if you guys want to roll the dice on that, I usually don't really think I'm ever going to win those, so I don't really worry about them. But if someone wins it or has won it, that's freaking incredible. I think that's awesome that they do that, and they give back to their customers with such incredible gifts, by the way. So that is it for my Black Friday talk along. That's what it was basically about Sparkle & Co.'s Black Friday sale. If you guys have already purchased or plan on purchasing, please let me know in the comments what you plan on snagging. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.